To complement the Delta range of boat rods, we've got two models of the Delta boat reels. As you can see, pretty sturdy old reel, got a level line. It's a polycarbonate body and the fittings, including the spool, are stainless steel, so pretty corrosive resistant. Got all the usual features, a nice spool lever, spool release lever, a very comfortable handle. This one is an odd shape, but it's extremely comfortable. And you can really winch. Oh, and we forgot the line out clicker, or the ratchet. Star drag, nice smooth star drag. Two models of the Delta boat reels, a £20 and a £30 class. The £20 for light to medium fishing, dinghies, gilling, that sort of thing. The £30 class for the heavier stuff.